Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this TITANWOLF RGB gaming mousepad in extra large. These are 900 to 400mm dimensions. It's a mousepad. It's a precision and speed epsilon washable new model mousepad with LED. Immerse ourselves in the breathtaking effect of this new gaming base. The 900 to 400mm mousepad illuminates the perimeter of the mat with 7 vibrant RGB colors. We leave our friends' mouth full. Simply connect this TITANWOLF mousepad to our computer via the included USB cable, and then we can enjoy the effect of lights. We draw attention to multiplayer LAN tournaments. And we have a button function. We switch from one color to another: red, yellow, green, turquoise, blue, purple, and white. If we continue to press, we will activate the effect Mouse breath. The colors glow one after another, or random, slow and quick, or flashing, that means flash, and random, that is a random order. We choose what's our favorite it will be. The smooth surface made of special texture microfiber provides glide resistance and speed, ideal for controlling the mouse with precision. The light band along the surface is carefully sewn to offer a maximum strength and performance with durability. The non-slip rubber coating on the back keeps the mat in place, even on glass and during the fastest gaming movements. We complete our workstation with the new RGB LED mat here. It's a colorful light-emitted diode mouse, and if we like a TITANWOLF gamer's accessories, we get into the pack of the TITANWOLFs, and then we can have fun with it, because it comes with a nice, colorful TITANWOLF RGB gaming mouse pad. Of course, on the market is a mouse available too in this same shape. 900 to 400mm mouse pad. 11 light-emitted diode colors and light effects are available. Why only push one button on it. You can see it's easy to operate and it looks really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.